IG Group Finance and Trade Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online trading wrong. They assume it's only for professionals or high-risk gamblers. The surprising truth about IG Group is that it offers a robust, regulated trading platform with tools for beginners and experts alike, and you won't believe how much insight you can get before making a trade. Here's how it works. IG Group provides access to stocks, forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Users can research markets, use advanced charting tools, and place trades with risk management options like stop-loss orders. For example, a trader interested in gold can view real-time charts, analyze historical data, and set alerts for price movements. Most people get this wrong. They assume trading is random, but IG Group emphasizes education, analytics, and risk controls. Additional features include demo accounts for practice, mobile apps, news feeds, and customizable dashboards. Users praise reliability, regulatory compliance, and the combination of research and execution tools. However, there are considerations. Trading involves risk, and beginners should start with small positions or demo accounts. Most people assume online trading is easy profit. It requires knowledge, discipline, and planning. In conclusion, IG Group is ideal for traders seeking a professional, regulated, and feature-rich platform to trade financial markets with confidence and insight. Subscribe for more honest reviews of trading platforms and financial tools.